We analyzed over 25 million solves,
And this is what we found out about OLL 34. There are only 5 algorithms that are worth mentioning, with the least common still being used by 20% of good cubers. All others are used by less than 2% of cubers. The least common algorithm of these 5 is used by nearly 8% of cubers, but over 20% of sub-7 second solvers use it. The next one is used by nearly 12%, but only 14% of sub-7 second solvers use it. The third most common algorithm is used by 22% in general and by over 26% of the fast cubers. And this one is really interesting. The second most used algorithm is used by nearly none of the fast cubers. And our most common algorithm with over 45% is also used by most of the fast cubers with over 55%.
You can find this data and more on acubemy.com.